What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bears After Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. Listen, it's awesome out. Feels like picnic weather or barbecue weather, but I'm because it's a barbecue video. We got a burger going on. We've got some Johnsonville smoked sausages as well. We made some chili that's been on the stove for about an hour and a half now, as well as some baked beans, maple hickory baked beans inside. We're gonna smash this down just a little bit, and we're gonna do some burgers and sort of dogs, smoked sausages. Stay tuned. All right, folks, we have a burger on the Blackstone. We've got some Johnsonville jalapeno cheddar, smoked sausages. We have some homemade chili sauce inside. You can check out, I'll link my recipe for that from a previous video. We've got some baked beans as well that we're going to be crushing. Not really crushing, but, eating. Stay tuned. All right, we have our baked beans here. These are hickory and maple. And we have our chili sauce here. Got a little bit thicker than I wanted. That's all right. Still going to be delicious. Smells amazing. Put that burger bun on here. Flip that bad boy over and voila. We are going to cook these until they fatten up and burst just a little bit. All right, on your sausages or hot dogs or brats or whatever you're cooking on the Blackstone, this is exactly what you want it to look like. See how it's just starting to burst right there? That means it is ready to go. Just took the burger off. We've got our buns. That's right. Pumped. All right, there we go. We have one with our chili sauce and onions, one with regular onions, and our beans.